Um, I would like to welcome you on the DevOps Days Warsaw 2016. This is the third edition. Thank you all for showing up. And I have a quick survey for you. Who of you is here for the first time for DevOps Days at all? Oh, so many new people. First time, really? Great. Okay, how many of you consider themselves as dev? Okay, ops, kind of equal. IT in general? Okay. So, what about organizations coming from? Startups? A few. Okay, small companies? And enterprises? Wow, that's the change. You know, when we were doing the first DevOps Days 2 years ago, that's 2 years, only 2 years, there's about 100 of participants. And back to the days, almost no one knew the word DevOps. It was new. It was kind of an automation. We're doing kind of some kind of scripting. The new community was coming up. And through all of these 2 years, everything has changed. So the automation came from the small companies. Now we have loads of enterprise representatives here. So only 2 years, and we have changed all of that. And DevOps Days, I think, is part of that community, is part of that change, because loads of the people were coming to these conferences and sharing experience, sharing their knowledge, and discussing during open spaces, during Ignites, because basically DevOps Days is the experience you create. So, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Before we move to the first talks of today, we have some organization informations for you. First of all, we have official application, mobile application, where you can find all information. You can find schedule, you can find some news, some changes that will be announced today too. So if you don't have it yet installed, it's available at App Store and Google Play. So download it, use it. Also, you can find yourselves in there because there's a list of attendees that use inventory. So if you want to connect each other, because it's all about communication, about speaking to each other. So if you want to find some other guys like you and talk to them, it's a good place to start. Today, okay, so this year's, it's again 2 days of the conference. We'll have 16 talks today and tomorrow until lunch, and tomorrow there will be 2 talks after lunch. We'll have traditionally 4 hours of open spaces. Also today we'll have Ignite talks, and more about Ignite talks later maybe. And we'll have after party in the evening, and more about it in a few minutes. This whole schedule, the program, was created by our advisory board. I would like to thank all our team. Right now, it's Paweł Bartusz, Andrzej Grzesik, Maciek Lasyk, Rafał Małani, Marcin Mazurek, and Piotrek Szwed, who started DevOps Days in Warsaw actually 2 years ago. So please, big round of applause to them for bringing these topics to us. Yep.
I think you can find all of them, maybe not today, but tomorrow, in the lobby, and you can talk to them.
Feel free to do so.
Exactly. Okay, so part of the experience are the Ignites. Ignites, short 5-minute sessions where you can share your experience, anything basically you wanted to share with the community. There's going to be an hour for that. Right now, you can think of a topic, and you can put the topic on the whiteboard, which is available at the main entrance over here. There's a nice DevOps Days ad, whatever that is, and there's next to that is a whiteboard. So put your topic. We'll have a short vote maybe, and do the Ignites afterwards. And then the open spaces. We'll talk about open spaces a bit more just before the open spaces, but this is the discussion panel. We're going to have a couple of rounds, a couple of topics. You can already think about some of the topics you would like to discuss with the peers, do some networking. This year we're going to have kind of an electronic digital voting system, just to avoid all the people queuing here and putting dots dots and voting. And then after party, the same place as last year, so the bowling pub at Malniego, Warszawianka. The people from Warsaw probably are aware. It's Mokotów, so pretty close from here. At 9 p.m. We have 100 free beers, so be on time. And okay, a part of the Venture app, we do have a Twitter feed. So please use DevOpsDays VAV to discuss what you're seeing on the stage or what you're discussing, whatever you want. Let's make it live so people can discuss using Twitter as well.
Okay.
I would just add that this Twitter feed is also visible, around if you the people from the other communities all around the world are looking at DevOpsDays.
Yes,
WAV.
exactly. Okay, we are here thanks to our partners, and I'd like to thank them now. And also, I'd like to ask some of them here to the stage to give a short pitch. So the first one will be our platinum partner, Sematext. I'd like to ask if there's anyone. Oh yeah, Rafał. So big round of applause for Sematext.
Rafał is with us for the third time, always giving great talks.
Thank you. So hello, my name is Rafał, and I'm proud today to present Sematext to you, a professional services and product company that basically allows you to sleep at night because of our products. And we are not making sleeping pills. We produce software for you, DevOps people, for monitoring, logging, and we provide professional services. When it comes to logging and monitoring, provide two products, Logzine, the one that can allow you to centralize your logs, and SPM that can handle your metrics from the things like simple JVM apps, Node.js, containers, Docker, Kubernetes, through search technologies like Solr or Elasticsearch, through beasts like Hadoop, Spark, and so on. So if you combine those two together, you have a single pane of glass for all your operational data that your DevOps team or you as a DevOps can look into and see. You can actually see that, and our booth will be glad to give you a demo of that. In addition to that, when it comes to professional services, we have a highly skilled teams of engineers scattered around the globe, as well here in Poland. For example, Paweł here is from Poznań, I'm from Białystok. For you to support you with Solr, Elasticsearch, logging-based technologies, and your own custom solutions based on those technologies. In addition to that, I would like just to say thank you for inviting us here, thank you for having us here, and enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now I'd like to ask a representative of Cisco. Yeah, big applause.
Prize for me? Thank you very much. At the beginning, prize. I'm surprised. Hello, I'm Grzegorz. I'm representative of Cisco Systems. We are technology partner, and maybe most of you is asking what we are doing here, because we are a big company and mainly well known as a networking company. We are here to convince you that we are ready to deliver whole environment ready for DevOps, ready for containers. And please join our session at 1:30. We prepared a presentation about Contif, about application-centric infrastructure environment ready for DevOps. And we also prepared some old-fashioned style paper, which, sorry? Yes, we prepared some contest, and we and we would like you to take some answers for us. And we prepared some gadgets and ready to win tomorrow after lunch. Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's move to our gold partners. First, 7N. Is there anyone from 7N? I guess not yet, maybe.
Registering.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so Omnilogy, Dynatrace. Big round of applause, thank you.
Hi, I'm in the name of the Omnilogy Dynatrace. Actually, we are here for 3 reasons. First, just to change formula from DevOps to DevPops, which stands for Development, Performance, and Operations. And I believe that for the next time will be DevPops. Dynatrace is for the performance, for ensuring you with the monitoring and performance. Secondly, we are just also here for just to ensure you and to help you with everything which is connected with digital transformation, because we believe that without performing, without monitoring, it's very difficult and very hard to do it and to follow with digital transformation. And the third thing is because we are together with JLoopin, which represents the Spring Server for microservices, which is our new development. So all these 3 things you can see on our stand. You just need the reception. We have some contents, we have some prices, and so please be with us and join us in the breaks. Thank you.
Thank you.
And also I'd like to invite here to the stage our other partners, Codylime, Intel, Shipstead, Uniteam, JLoopin Software Studio, and WatchIGL. If you are here, please come to the stage. We have gifts for you too, and big round of applause for them.
Okay.
Is there anyone else from those companies? Come here. Okay.
Thank you so much.
They're probably still registering. Okay, thank you very much.
All these companies make this even happen, basically. For the support, we wouldn't be able to do that.
One more thing about companies and our exhibitors. We have also a contest for you, the general contest. You can win DevOps Days t-shirt. They are limited, so the first one is a FIFO Q, so first one to come, first one to served. The contest is quite simple. You have a piece of paper where you will collect samples on our exhibitors' booths. So go there, talk to them, get sample. Once you collect all of them, go to the registration desk after the lunch, because it starts after the lunch, and you will grab your t-shirt. It's limited, so be fast.
Okay.